Welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to make a haunted house like scene inside ThreeJS. So yeah, let's get started. So first of all I will show you my setup. I'm again using Next.js, and just like previous video, like I have created a component for it, and then I have included that component inside page.tsx, so you can do the same thing. So for now what I'm doing is that I have just created a scene of three dot scene. Forget all the comments for now. Then I have created a material and given it some roughness, and the last thing is we are using a callback. So I have set the size, the camera, as well as the orbital controls and the renderer, and I have set this set clear color as well as I have set some shadow maps to my renderer. Next, I have also added the resize click listener as well as double click listener, and here I'm rendering our scene. And also I have created this tick method with same code as previous, and here I have just taken my canvas. So here you can see this is the output for now. Next, what I have done is that inside my public folder I have taken different textures, like for door. So you can just find these textures online. You don't need to take the same textures, but you have to have something like this, like an alpha, ambient occlusion, color, height, metalness, normal, roughness. Same for gradient, as no, we don't require gradient or environmental maps, but this bricks, okay, for bricks, for walls and for door. And I have taken some for grass as well, which you can see over here. So yeah, you can just find these textures online, or you don't need to use the same texture which I am using. Now let's get started. So first what you have to do is that you have to I think load all the textures. Okay, so here you can see I'm using texture loader to load all the textures from our public folder. So this is nothing new, so I will just uncomment this for now. So this is our brick texture, this is our grass texture, and I have also set this repeat for grass texture, otherwise they don't look nice. As well as I have done wrap S and wrap T as well. Next, now nothing will happen because we are not really using this texture. Next, I have created a group and inside for house, and I have added that to our scene. Next, I have created some walls, and here you can see I have added the walls to our house. So if I save this, this is like basic box geometry as well as mesh standard material. Here you can see something like this, but I already have texture for this. So what I will do, I will comment this out and I will use our textures. So now you can see the output. Okay, it looks like this. Next, what I will do is I will take a roof as well. So here you can see this is the roof for it. Next, I am taking a door. So here also you can use a mesh standard material, but we already have a texture for it, so I'm commenting this out and I'm using all the required textures which we have. So here is our house, and I know the door is not visible yet because we have not added to our scene, so I will just quickly add it. And because that there are no lights inside our scene, that's why it's not displaying properly, which we will add soon, don't worry about it. Next, I will add some bush, as well as I have created 4 bushes and I have added it to our house. So here you can see again these are not properly visible because of those lights. Once we add those lights, they would be visible to you. So yeah, let's just add those lights first. So here you can see I have added this ambient light as well as I have added directional light, and I will add some door light, and yeah, that's it for now. So here you can see now our house is displaying properly. Okay, once that is done, I will add some graves as well. So here this is the grave material, and I am just looping 50 times to add our graves besides our houses. So here you can see these are all the graves which are been added. Next, what I am doing is that I am adding a floor. So this is our floor, Now I also have texture for this, so I will just comment it out and use this texture. So here you can see now this is our grass. Next I will add some fog to our scene. So here you can see this is the fog of red color. Next I will add some, these are not really ghost but these are just light. So here now you might not be able to see those lights like here you, and the reason is that because we are not animating those lights. So here I will wait, I'll show you. So here you can see I have these lights and I will just animate it, and now you can see those lights properly. So there are 3 lights. Okay, now I will go up. Where did we left off? Okay, we have already done with this. Next thing is add this shadow map to your renderer, as well as I will add this shadow to moonlight, doorlight and ghost, as well as to walls and bush as well, and floor will receive the shadow. Next I will use this height and width for our shadow just to optimize the shadows. And here you can see now it looks really nice. So as you can see those shadows. What else? I think that should be it. So here is a basic example of rendering an haunted house using ThreeJS. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.